Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of Auntie A's Kitchen. My name's Amanda and I love sharing with people simple and delicious recipes that you can cook here in South Korea using South Korean ingredients. If you're new to the channel, 안녕하세요, welcome to everybody wherever you're watching. I hope you are having a fantastic week. Today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're going to be making a watermelon and feta cheese salad with a sweet balsamic glaze. Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits in South Korea, and at the moment they are in season. This salad goes with absolutely anything. You'll see that I cooked some potatoes and steak to serve with the salad today. You could just eat it on its own. It's colourful, it's refreshing, and so simple to make. Please have fun making this for friends and family, and once you've eaten it, don't forget to drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the flavour combinations. So let me show you today a watermelon and feta cheese salad with a sweet balsamic glaze in South Korea.
As this takes the longest, I start off with preparing the balsamic vinegar glaze that will go on top of our salad, but there's nothing stopping you from making it the day before. It's so simple to make, just add some balsamic vinegar and brown sugar into a pan and mix it together. As an optional extra, you could add some crushed garlic if you wanted. I then just allow this to simmer and reduce for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you leave it to simmer, don't forget to stir occasionally. To go with the salad, I quickly cook up a potato. I've already boiled it, so I get it cut up and place it into an oiled pan. I then add some basic Italian herb seasoning, which you can get from Home Plus, and some garlic powder. While everything is cooking, I start preparing the salad. I love using different types of leaves. Today I'm using one of my personal favourites, some arugula, mixed in with an assortment of other leaves. Don't forget to keep going back and checking on your balsamic vinegar glaze and your potatoes. One way to check if your glaze is ready is to run your finger down the centre of the spoon. If your glaze doesn't drip, then it is thick enough, and don't forget it will thicken a little bit more as it cools. My glaze is ready and it tastes great, so I put it into a glass container to cool down while I continue preparing the other ingredients. A quick tip: to get more juice out of any citrus fruit, roll them on a hard surface before cutting. I then squeeze the juice of half a lime over the red onion. Not only does this add another flavour dimension, but it will stop the onion leaving that onion taste in your mouth afterwards. If you don't have any red onions, then using white onion for this recipe is absolutely fine too. For a lunchtime, I'd have the salad on its own, but because I'm serving it as a main meal tonight, I accompany it with some potatoes and steak. So while my steak pan heats up, I quickly oil and season both sides with some salt and pepper. We love eating salads in Korea, especially as it starts to get hot. Not only are they simple to prepare, but there's just so many variations that you never get bored. I'm looking forward over the next few months to share some of my favourite combinations with you. If you like eating salad, please drop a comment below and let me know some of your favourite go-to salads to eat. Before I came to Korea, I didn't like eating watermelon, but in Korea the watermelons just have so much flavour, and when they're in season, they are 아주 맛있어요. If I was cooking this meal for myself, I would probably just use one pan to save on washing up, but my husband really likes the grill marks on the steak, so today I used the steak pan. It's not a thick steak, so it won't take long to cook, so I finished getting the salad ready. If you've never tried this salad before, then you're going to love the flavour combinations. The watermelon just really complements the feta cheese, and the balsamic vinegar glaze just takes it to another level. So please, make this salad for friends and family, and don't forget to drop me a comment once you've made it and let me know what you think. As you've seen today, this meal really takes no time at all to prepare. I finished the salad with some pumpkin seeds and a generous sprinkling of some ground pepper, and last but not least, that delicious balsamic vinegar glaze that we made earlier. As you can see in the video, it's thickened up as it's cooled down. I love it, so I always make extra so that I can use some on another day. So here we have a wonderful fresh summer salad, watermelon with feta cheese and a balsamic glaze. You won't be disappointed with these flavour combinations. If you like watermelon, then you might like my watermelon pizza recipe. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless. Chop 감사합니다.